Well, hello everybody. It's evening milking time here at Scarlet Pete's Self-Sufficiency and Crafts. Let's go then. Let's go get some milk out of you. Chop chop. Today I'm making a beautiful cream cheese from yoghurt. First thing I've done, I've put it in a vegetable net that you quite often get in supermarkets these days to put your veg in. I've tied it up tightly and strung it up to drip. Depending on how things go, that could drip between 1 and 2 days to get a really firm yoghurt cheese that's left over. I've emptied my huge pot full of yoghurt that I made last night. I've retained some for the family to use in an old pot that we have, an old yoghurt pot. And obviously the last bit's going to me, the chef, as a yoghurt and jam breakfast. The yoghurt's now been strained and dripped for a long time, and the resulting liquid we have in the bottom of the bucket is like a clear yellow liquid. And inside here we have our cream cheese. So let's empty it out and see what we've got. Here's the resulting cream cheese that we've just tipped out. Doesn't it look luscious and lovely? That's the yoghurt having dripped all day long. If you want it drier, you drop it for a day or 2 days. If you want it creamy and wet and moist, maybe 6 to 12 hours. It's time to flavour our lovely homemade cream cheese. Thinking I'm just going to make a plain pepper version, but I have my trusty herb pile here. I think today I'm just going to do plain pepper. So all I do to make these lovely Philadelphia or Boursin type cheeses is add salt and the chosen flavour, which today is going to be pepper, to the dish and get a delicious copycat cheese. So I'm going to grind into it some whole black peppercorns. Pepper's added, and now it's time to add some fine Himalayan salt to taste. Mix well and taste. I've added a bit more pepper, and also if you find the cracked pepper's not flavouring it enough for you, add some finely ground powdered pepper in as well, and that will saturate through the mixture much better. There's the ground pepper added in. It will also taste better with a little bit of time. It will mature and permeate the flavours much nicer. Got a couple of Pyrex dishes here that I'm going to be using. Both have lids, so that will keep the flavours in the cheese. It tastes exactly just like the Boursin in the shops. Now I found in the back of my cupboard some nice Thai crunchy chilies. I've just left a little bit over because I'm going to make a superheated one now with some chilies in. I've got my pestle and mortar, some of the dried sweet chilies. There we go. Let's add that to the remainder. I'm going to be using a spoon, so I don't really want to get chilies all in my hands. I'm putting in a small amount first, not too strong at all. So I've added it all in, and I'll mix it up and put it into its container. Still hasn't got the bite I'm after, so I've got some of my homemade chili powder that I made by dehydrating it the other year, and I'm going to add a spoonful of that. I don't usually use plastics in the kitchen, but you can't beat a spatula to scrape out the bowls. It's all looking good there. There's some cream cheese dolloped in there. We're going to add some powdered sugar or icing sugar to the mixture to taste. And then our flavouring, which could be vanilla or the apple powder or the cinnamon. Vanilla essence. And a dash of cinnamon. Mix well. If you got too much, you could actually freeze some and make it like an ice cream substitute, or put it into ice lolly containers and some sticks in and make it as frozen ice lollies. If you want to thicken it, you can add a splash of home squeezed lemon juice, or you could add some homemade cottage cheese and then whisk that into the mixture. But I'm really happy with it just like this. It's all looking good there. Let's get a taste test going and see what Lily thinks. Lily! 3 types to taste. We've got the cinnamon and apple flavour with vanilla. We've got the spicy chili powder and black pepper. And we've got plain black pepper. We got plain black. Oh,
plain black pepper, I believe you want to say.
I'm trying to say we have plain black pepper, yes. So, and as you'll see from the pictures that I'll add over, that we also package it for the freezer and make it look like little mini poissons. Right, we now need something to stick this on. Right, Lily is here ready for the taste test. Which one do you want to taste first?
The one that's sweet. Actually meant to be sweet. It tastes very nice.
Does it?
Mm-hmm.
I rather like it. Next, it's the pepper. Peppery, creamy, nicely, yes?
None of that.
What is it?
It's salty in a nice way. Of course, it's creamy. It doesn't taste very peppery.
Yeah, I was struggling to get enough pepper flavour into that, but I didn't want to go crazy. You wait till you taste the chilli one, see if I've got enough chilli in it. Oh.
It tastes like salt and pepper popcorn.
I think that's okay. And now it's time for the bad boy. The chilli, salt and pepper flavour. Ready to taste the chilli and wait for the kick. I'm waiting and waiting.
He's getting warmer, but I don't know about the flavour.
So there we go. It's not too bad. Good. Taste testing over. As you can see, it's ever so easy to make your own version of creamy cheeses and flavours. You can make a cocoa version, you could make all sorts of versions, but these are the 3 we've made today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, give us a comment so we know you're there, and a thumbs up. Bye bye.